Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, updated Discord, and an enrolled platform passkey such as Touch ID, Face ID, or a Windows Hello PIN. Once ready, sign into Discord with your usual credentials and open user settings. This step ensures Discord recognizes your login context. Next, navigate to Security and login to start the passkey setup flow. Make sure to keep your device unlocked. These early steps link your platform's secure credential store with Discord, enabling a faster, phishing-resistant login. Once in Security and login, select Add Passkey and choose whether to create it on this device or use an external authenticator key. When Discord asks, follow the platform prompt, approve with Face ID, fingerprint, or enter your secure PIN. This verifies you and creates a public key credential stored on the device. Make sure to name the passkey if given the option so you can identify it later. After registration completes, Discord will show the passkey as an available login method tied to your account. To sign in, choose Passkey at Discord's login prompt and authenticate with your enrolled biometric or PIN. This replaces typing passwords and reduces phishing risk. Once done, make sure to register an additional passkey or a hardware key as a backup so you aren't locked out if a device breaks. If the passkey fails, immediately use previously saved 2FA backup codes or the account recovery flow. Contact Discord support only after exhausting recovery options. One tip: check device time and OS updates if authentication repeatedly fails.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.